Was ist denn das? Look at alley.
This door leads to the back alley.
Ja, das braucht man glauben nicht, oder? Ich kann mal nichts machen. What's behind here? What's that? Oh, yeah.
What's that?
Cricket?
This was my dad's cane. He'd zip around here on it from time to time.
Was he sick?
Nah, he was okay. I actually saw him whoop shoplifters with it. This cane's protected this place better than any guard dog ever could. Plus, he knew how to make it look cool.
Sein Laufstock in dem Fall.
My dad gave it to me.
See, dads are smart like that.
Kann ich das nicht mitnehmen als Waffe? Das wäre nämlich nicht schlecht.
I ought to clear a path to opening that door.
Okay, schieb das mal auf die
Better
Seite.
get this door clear, huh?
Can I help?
Sure.
Sure. Here we go. Watch your fingers in the drawers.
Sachen sind gefährlich geworden, hä?
Things have been scary, huh?
Yeah. It's not good. I don't know why everyone is crazy.
Neither do I, Clementine. Nobody does, I don't think.
Es
I
ist so
bet my
herzig.
dad does.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, look at the
Do
first
you have
aid.
kids?
No.
You don't have a family?
Komm, wir reden nicht über... Ach, wieso? Wieso willst du nicht über dich reden? Ich würde ihr jetzt eben... Ich würde ihr jetzt die Wahrheit sagen.
Let's not talk about that.
Aber das
Do you
ist...
play sports?
I play soccer, but I don't really like it.
I'm not crazy about it either. All right, a little further.
Alright.
Why don't you want to talk about your family? Do they, like, hate you?
Sind sie tot? Das ist einfach
I hope
kompliziert.
not. It's just complicated, that's all.
Why?
It just is.
But you love them, right?
Yeah, of course.
Was ist echt mit seiner Familie?
Look, my family's gone and I just wish things would have been different.
Yeah.
Also, sie sind gestorben. I killed someone. Also,
I
ich
got
habe
into
Ärger
some
gehabt.
trouble and I didn't talk to him for a while. This used to be their store. But let's just keep that between you and me, okay?
Aha,
Okay.
ist ihr Laden gewesen
Because
sogar.
of the trouble?
Yeah, that's right. Now, let's get this done.
Okay. Also, ich komme jetzt nicht ganz draus ab. Oh, oh shit, Finger geklemmt.
Are
Nein.
you okay?
I hurt my finger.
Oh
Is it
je.
bleeding?
A little.
Ich hatte dort ein First Aid Kit gesehen.
I'll find you a bandage.
Ja, ich weiß schon wo. Schau da hinten. Da. For my poor little baby. Das Pflasterli ist schön. Sonst noch gerade etwas? What's that? Take it. Oh, look at that. Das sind Brüder und Eltern. Hey. No.
Find anything?
Just a picture.
Just a picture of whoever was here.
I know who you are.
Oh.
You're Lee Everett. You're a professor at Athens who killed a state senator who was sleeping with your wife. This is your parents' store. Folks around town know the owner's son got himself a life sentence, but I'm a reporter for WABE in Atlanta. I paid attention to that trial. Maybe you're a murderer, but I don't really care. Frankly, that's a skill that might come in handy.
Oh.
Did you tell anyone out there who you were, or that you were tied to this place?
Ja, ist
The world has
Apokalypse.
ended already. Who cares who I am?
Voll.
If you don't think people will find any reason to turn on you, especially when the shit hits the fan, you're insane.
Whatever.
You seem like an okay guy, and the last thing we need is drama out there. You've got this little girl to take care of, and look, don't make me wrong on this.
I don't plan to.
Good.
Hey.
Because if this lasts longer than a few days, and you're a detriment to the group, then we'd have a problem.
I hear you.
I'll just keep it to myself.
Danke, wir müssen diesen Leuten vertrauen.
Don't worry about it.
Gesehen, wir müssen diesen fremden Leuten
Lee?
Vertrauen schenken, sonst sind
What
wir
if
am
my
Arsch am
parents
Schluss
come home and
allein.
I'm not there?
Sie
They'll,
finden uns.
track us down. Don't worry.
Yeah, okay.
Das
We
nächste Mal
should
sagen
keep a
die
lookout.
Wahrheit.
I've got my walkie-talkie in case they try that way.
Stay close to me until then, okay?
Wow. Also ich muss ja noch bandagieren, hä?
Let's have a look at that finger. Now,
It hurt.
let's see if we can do something about it.
Was ist jetzt das?
Let's get this cut covered up.
Yes, please.
Aha. Oh. Ist sie echt infiziert jetzt? Ich weiß es nicht. Ich glaube nicht. Hey, das könnte ich also nicht. Ah, what's that?
It's the remote to my dad's TV.
Alright. Maybe. Können wir es brauchen, aber ich glaube sehr nicht.
It's locked. We need to track down the keys if we're gonna help Larry.
Ah, toll.
My parents came in here hoping to survive, but it looks like one of them was hurt. I wonder if it was my dad. Trying to be a hero, maybe. Or a protector, at least.
Maybe. Schalt mal die TV an, vielleicht haben sie irgendein Tape aufgenommen,
That's
wer
what I
weiß.
figured.
Ne, Black Screen. Sonst noch etwas drin? Ne?
Luckily, there's nothing I need in here.
Okay.
First aid kit.
Ja. Schau das nochmal an.
My parents came in here hoping to survive, but it looks like one of them was hurt. I wonder if it was
Ja.
my dad.
Überspring's.
Trying to be a hero, maybe. Or a protector, at least.
Alright. Wieso kann ich nicht einfach... Wieso kann ich nicht einfach die Tür mit dem Stock aufschlagen? Ich finde keinen Schlüssel. Ja,
It's
it's
locked.
locked.
We need to track down the keys if we're
going
gonna
to
help
Larry. Ja, whatever. Aber ich sehe sonst nichts, weißt du? Ja.
Wanna head back into the drugstore with me?
Okay.
Gehen wir mal...
Lee,
Yeah?
you're not bad, right?
Why are you asking me that?
That lady said you killed someone. Was that because he was one of the things trying to eat you?
Ich bin ehrlich zu ihr, Mann.
Wasn't.
Oh. Was he bad?
Was.
Okay. Wir müssen den Schlüssel finden. Hey, hat irgendjemand vorher einen Schlüssel gesehen dort hinten?
How's he doing?
I'm not sure I got your name.
It's Lee.
Lily. My dad's Larry.
Hey, Larry.
I was just doing what I had to earlier.
Everyone was.
Now his heart's acting up again and I'm powerless to do anything. And that violence before with my dad, that didn't help.
Hey, wir sind alle freaked out gewesen. Was denkst du
What
über
do
all
you think about
das?
all this?
What is there to think? The dead are up, walking around, eating people, and turning them into more of them. I mean, Jesus.
We need to stick together and get through this.
Ist
You
von
from
da?
here?
I work at Warner Robins, the Air Force Base.
Yeah, I know it. Pilot?
Nah, just mechanical admin stuff. I deal with a bunch of shitheads and bureaucrats all day. Sometimes a plane, if I'm lucky.
Okay.
You?
I work up at UGA.
Is irgendjemand
Was
da
anyone
gewesen?
here when you guys got here?
No, this place was pretty wrecked. We pulled a couple of bodies out of the office.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Did you know anybody here?
Yeah.
The owners, we were close.
I'm sorry. We found an older couple in the office. Dad hauled them out in case they weren't really dead.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna
Ich
get
will
back
nicht
to
wissen,
him.
was mit ihm nicht stimmt.
Sounds good.
Ich kann nämlich
Hey
noch...
there.
Hey?
This is Glenn, and I'm kinda in a jam here. Little girl, if you're there, can you put your daddy on the phone? Or on the talkie or whatever?
Yeah.
This is Lee. What's up?
So, I'm down at that motor inn, and, well, I'm stuck.
Stuck?
Yeah, I saw a chance to get some supplies for the group, and a bunch of the Roman ones got the jump on me.
Oh.
I'm hiding over here, but they won't leave.
What's up?
Glenn's trapped down at the motor inn. Hey, Glenn. We're gonna talk it over and send a group to come get you, all right?
Awesome. I'll sit tight till then.
Sounds good.
Shit.
I'm gonna hold on to this until we get Glenn back, okay? I'll take good care of it.
What do you think?
I think Doug's not great around zombies. You got your family here. I'll take Carly and her dead eye down to the motor inn, get Glenn, and get back here as fast as I can.
Ja, Anthony.
That's what you want to do.
Somebody's got to.
Yeah, I'm in.
Good. Doesn't sound too bad there right now.
Let me know as soon as you want to head out. I could use a jog.
Ja, eigentlich würde ich gerne noch rasch da... Was kann ich ihr da noch geben? Energy
It's not much, but here.
You sure?
Yeah. You're under quite a bit of stress.
Thanks. That's, really sweet.
Don't mention it.
Energy-Regel geben, hä? Ja. Nein, ich kann nicht zurückwählen. Also komm, wir schauen noch einmal um. Nein, sorry, ich glaube nicht, dass es da etwas gibt. Einfach... Der Schlüssel, ich hätte eigentlich schon gerne Medizin geholt, aber der Glenn ist wichtiger, sorry. Energy Bar. Nochmal einen. Kann ich jetzt allen einen verteilen, oder was? Schaut mal, was ich gefunden habe. Ice Cream
We
Menus.
can't let anything happen to
It's all
Ducky.
melted now.
I know, hon.
Are you alright?
Hey, Lee. Really gave that old man hell.
Yeah. We got pushed, you know?
You don't have to tell me. I was ready to tear the man's head off. Anyway, we, Kat and I, appreciate your support.
Ja,
Thank
bitte,
you, Lee.
habe ich gern gemacht. Wie geht's dem Duck?
How's Duck doing?
He's okay. It was just a shock.
We're lucky as hell nobody got nabbed on the way in here.
No kidding.
How's she doing?
Danke, gut. Nein, ihre Familie ist wahrscheinlich tot. Ach, das weiss sie auch nicht sicher.
Good, actually.
Das
She's
ist
a
verdammt
tough
blöd,
one
ich will
right there.
niemand
She's just a little
anlügen,
girl,
oder?
Ken.
What are you saying, Lee? She spent days surviving on her own?
That's right.
Not just
Bin
any
ich
little girl
Days
can
in
do
dem Auto
that.
drin gewesen? Was ist der Plan?
What's the plan?
Hang tight, I suppose. Seems pretty dangerous out there, so we ought to wait for things to clear up.
You said your family was from here in Macon?
That's right.
Where are they? Should we go looking for them?
Dann hat das so gehört.
They, own this place. They, pulled some bodies out of the office before we got here. They're, gone.
Oh, sweetie.
Kat,
They were good people. I wasn't around much, but yeah, they're dead. Are you guys all right?
we're just fine, considering.
How about you, Duck?
We've all been through a lot.
Lee, you got a second?
Ja,
Sure.
sure. What up?
Back on Herschel's farm.
Yeah.
I panicked, you know. I'm not proud of it.
Hey, it's okay.
It happens.
I guess. But I can't stop seeing him in my head.
Yeah, that's rough.
I killed that boy. We could have saved him together.
You didn't have a choice. You think you do when you look back on it, but in a moment, When things are really out of control, you don't have any choice.
It's damn right. Dann macht nur noch der Körper, was er will. Kann's auch?
Try to let it go.
Yeah, I think Kenny's my boy. Ich denke, mit ihm wir einen guten Verbündeten haben, so einen Dad. Who knows, man?
Just need to get back to Fort Lauderdale.
Hey, willst du mir erzählen? Oh nein, ich
It's
gebe
not
Manager.
much, but here, for the boy.
Oh, thanks, Lee. He appreciates it.
That's sweet, Lee.
Doc,
How are we doing?
alright.
If you don't mind, I think my family and I are gonna rest for a bit. Let me know if that asshole over there takes a turn for the worse.
You got it.
Alright, am besten ist natürlich, wenn wir so viel wie möglich sind. Andererseits braucht man dann auch mehr zu essen. Grußkarten braucht man eigentlich nicht.
No, I'm sorry to hear your loved one was eaten by the living dead cards.
Okay, wie doch, wir werden es doch anschauen.